Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Maria Tisa Manalo, the reigning Miss Philippines Cosmo International 2024, captivated the media during her send-off press conference, marking a significant milestone in her journey toward the Miss Cosmo International pageant. Held at a prestigious venue in Manila, the event was a vibrant showcase of national pride and high hopes for the upcoming international competition. The conference began with a grand entrance by Manalo, who radiated confidence and grace. Dressed in an elegant yet understated gown, she embodied the poise and sophistication expected of a representative at such a high-profile event. As she took the stage, the atmosphere was electric, filled with anticipation and excitement. During her speech, Manalo expressed her heartfelt gratitude to her supporters, sponsors, and the entire organizations behind her. She shared her journey leading up to this moment, highlighting the rigorous preparation, personal growth, and the unwavering support of her family and friends. Manalo emphasized her commitment to representing the Philippines with honor and dignity, reflecting on the values and cultural heritage she aims to showcase on a global stage. The press conference featured a lively Q&A session where journalists and media representatives had the opportunity to pose questions about Manalo's strategies, aspiration, and preparation for the Miss Cosmo International pageant. Manalo spoke candidly about her preparation regimen, which included intense training, public speaking practice, and cultural immersion, all aimed at enhancing her performance and presentation. As the event concluded, the sense of national pride was palpable. Supporters and media alike expressed their optimism for Manalo's success, recognizing her as a beacon of hope and a symbol of Filipino excellence. With a promising start and a strong foundation, Maria Tisa Manalo is poised to make a significant impact at the Miss Cosmo International pageant, and the Philippines stands united in her support. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!